Welcome to the wonderful world of subliminal advertisement. Your mind may have been breached, and you may already been a slave to the advertisement, all without your knowledge. Case study, Amazon. Look into this advertisement. The favicon is an arrow, pointed from left to right. Let me explain. Images have meanings. Images also have hidden meanings. If it is said so, the Amazon has started to give meaning to this arrow. In this picture, arrow is connecting letters to said. This means things having their name starting from A to said are available in Amazon. This is the meaning given by Amazon, intentionally or not, to its favicon arrow. Your perfect shopping mart, Amazon. The culture of arrow having a meaning connecting two letters are established here. Look into this another advertisement by Amazon. Here, the favicon arrow is not connecting any letter in the word. Rather, it is an advertisement for the Prime Videos governed by Amazon groups. In the words Prime Video, the favicon arrow is connecting letters I and D, which does not have any specific meaning at all, except Prime Video can or cannot be your ID. Look very closer. Favicon arrow is connecting part of two words. Favicon arrow connecting pre and DE. Your mind, in the fraction of second, make combinations and permutations to give a meaning, which is read as pride. Anyone can be a Pride customer of Amazon Prime Video. This has the potential to create desire, resulting in the subscription of Amazon Prime Videos. The arrow favicon completes the purpose, connecting part of two words. First part of a word PRI with second part of another word DE, giving a subliminal hidden meaning, triggering emotions and feels, ultimately resulting in subliminally persuasion. The intention is clear: purchase or subscription. Being pride of Amazon subscriber. By the above two examples, arrow having a purpose is established. 1. Connecting letters having a new meaning. 2. Connecting part of two words giving a new meaning. Look into this new advertisement. Favicon arrow is establishing a new meaning with a totally different new ways. Filthy, dirty meaning. Here, the two letters are connected by favicon arrow. Letter P and letter E. P and E do not alone have a meaning. Here come the another new purpose of the favicon arrow. The arrow resembles something sexy. Create sexual arousal if the connected letters have a meaning. P in colloquial use means urination process. Now look into the arrow. Urination meaning for P is completed with the visual representation of favicon in the shape of top skin removed. Dick, genital of a man. Now to you, does the arrow looks like a dick, genital of a man? Subliminal advertisement apply sexual meaning. Exploit the sexual thirst or desire of human being. One major driving force behind the social life of human beings. This is advertisement exploitation in the favor of marketing. If Amazon is better than any of their competitors, inference can be taken that subliminal advertisements are effective and successful. Thank you from Pervert Advertisement and Pervert Psychology. You have no privacy left in your life, and you do not have an escape. Shame on you.
ये तो बड़ा ड्राइंग है, ड्राइंग है। ये तो बड़ा ड्राइंग है, ड्राइंग है। ये तो बड़ा ड्राइंग है, ये तो बड़ा ड्राइंग है, ये तो बड़ा ड्राइंग है। ये तो बड़ा ड्राइंग है, ये तो बड़ा ड्राइंग है, ये तो बड़ा ड्राइंग है।